25 gives you lemons, you get a crazy time. Yellow, 25 for blue. It's a triple for green. Any green team of people in the chat?
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
And we've got ourselves pachinko. Let's get on with it. All right, let's see what multipliers we're going to have here. A 3x, okay. 5x, 7x, 10x, 15x, I'm waiting for that double. 200x, nice, okay. Can't say no to that now. Is it coming anywhere near the 200x? Because that would be lovely. It would be a lovely first session for me. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. 200x. My congratulations to all of the 5,826 winners. 200x for all of you. And Abogazi, you're a top winner with over an 18,000
segments showed. It's 2 out of 4 sound steps in. As by this far in last 4 rounds, we've had all 4 number segments in a row, and we're about to add a crazy time. Woo! The one and only, guys. Segments on a wheel, and yet you hit it. So let's go. Follow me. Yoo-hoo! Welcome to Crazy Time, everybody. Are you ready? As at the moment, fantastic multiplier wheel flies in front of you, also including doubles, and look at that triple. Ooh, it's like a triple chocolate ice cream. Do you like it? Yeah, at the moment you gotta choose a flappers. We do have 3 of those. Color red. Oh wait, apologies. Color green, blue, and yellow, guys. Okay, ready? 200 extra in the max, and let's go. Ooh. Boom! Shakalaka! Woo! Maximum 200x on a green, 15x on the blue, and 50 on a yellow. Guys, what did I catch? 200x, 15x, and a 50x outcome. Congratulations! Absolutely beautiful. We may proceed with a whole new round.
LP, what do I do for a living? I live. LP, I live. I try to be as present and mindful as possible. Top slot, pachinko, 5 times multiplier. Ladies and gentlemen, crazy time has arrived. Please follow me to the bonus round of all the bonus rounds in crazy time. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing? Oh, yes. You have to be able to shift your weight on a dime. Pivot. Oh, by the way, there are 3 flappers on this wheel. Green, blue, yellow. Please choose a flapper, players. Or you can let the game decide for you as well. All right, that is time. Maximum multiply 100x, players. Good luck to you. Oh, there's a double players on blue. 20x on green, 25x on yellow. So, now here's what we're gonna do. We will improve the multipliers on this wheel. So now the maximum multiplier is 200x players. Oh, good luck. A 200x multiplier obtained by the blue flapper. Congratulations to the winners.
Win for Marroquin, 608 euro special compliments Marroquin. And betting time, you can join in for the new spin. Final seconds, y'all. Let's keep going. Also, betting all numbers, betting all bonus games features are available during betting time for your convenience. No more bets, thank you. Good luck. How many spins ago was the last crazy time? 3x crazy time top slot. Bro. Oh, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Ah, it's crazy time. Bruh. Beautiful. Magnificent. Come on, guys. Ah. Woo, woo, woo. Welcome, everybody. Crazy time 3x top slot bonus round. Yeah. First of all, we have to multiply everything on the wheel 3 times. Well, every multiplier. Let's do it. Oh yeah, choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Whatever lands in it will be your prize. There are also some beautiful doubles on the wheel. Maybe some of you will get that double action. If you're not sure what to choose, you can let the time run out. And ladies and gentlemen, highest multiplier 300x. Good luck! Oh, 7,826 winners. First crazy time of the session. Yeah, buddy. With the top win special compliments. Yeah, buddy. Betting time. Woo! 3x top slot. That's what I'm talking about. No more bets, thank you. Green flapper, get a...
Congrats, winners. Sim, SG, VB are the top 3 winners. New round is here. Repeat the bet, undo the bet, change the value anytime you like to on betting time. Good question, Einstein. Can we change the host? Well, unfortunately, players don't have an opportunity to request a host change in this game. So you gotta deal with maybe having hosts you don't like for 40 minutes per session. But that's life. 5 to 3x top slot. When life gives you lemons, you get a crazy time. Hey, let's go. We're just starting out, guys. Well, hello everybody. Nice to see you. Good luck to everybody. Wishing you the best. And it's time for you to get some nice multipliers. Okay, so decision time. We got a triple on the wheel, a 200x on the wheel as well, so high hopes for that. You can choose the yellow, blue, or green flapper, decide what color you like the most or which side you like the most, and let's get a 200x, eh? Good luck. No way! 50 for yellow, 25 for blue! It's a triple for green! Any green team of people in the chat? Oh, you guys, I haven't seen a triple in ages, in like years. So, this is one of a kind! 600x max! Let's go! And a double! You guys! Come on! Double time! Hey, triple double time, I mean. Look at this! Now, the max is 1,200x, you guys! Let's go! Oh, a 300x for you. Congratulations.
Winners and settle 很秒just
Oh my, I love this nickname so much. You get the top place and free grants as your winning result. Congratulations and betting time. So whenever I say you as a top winner, I'm gonna say your nickname loud and clear. So everyone would know that there is such a nickname. And good luck. Cash and get 7x. And to be honest, I can say that this is the best nickname I have ever seen in my entire life. Come on, come on. Stop right there. You stop right over there, ladies and gentlemen. Cash and bonus round it is with a nothing but 7 times multiplier. Ready to start? Are you ready? Well, I really hope that the answer is yes, because here is the board with all of the different kind of multipliers, and 500x is the highest one. With the 7x, it's a 3,500. Am I right? Yeah, girl. That's a 3,500x, but look at the board. It looks marvelous. It looks great. Oh my. I am excited. Now, you got one job to do, right? So you gotta choose one of the symbols from the board. Only one. If you don't want to make a decision yourself, you can just simply leave it for auto pick option. And this option gonna choose something randomly instead of you. Just in case if it's, too much pressure because multipliers are way too good. Well, feel free to go for the auto play or your favorite spot or your favorite symbol. And good luck. Let's reveal the board now. 3,500x is right over here. 525, 500.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.